Marvellous Makes.
In this episode, we'll be making a mini living room film set. So, get your hands warmed up and ready to go. You'll need an old shoebox, some wrapping paper, some old cardboard, photos or pictures of outside, paint, felt tip pens, sponges and some PVA glue. Start with your box and put the lid to one side. Paint one of the longer sides the colour you want the ceiling. Don't worry if it's a bit messy. Flip the box over and then paint a darker colour for the first coat of your floor. Let that dry. Now, get a sponge and a piece of old card. Put some lighter paint on the card for the next stage of the floor. I'm mixing a few colours together. Take the rough side of the sponge and dab it in the paint so it's all nice and coated. Now dab the sponge all over the floor to give it a carpet effect. Do this a few times. Grab your wrapping paper and a pen. Lay the paper out flat and then grab your box. Draw around the bottom and sides of the box to give you 3 rectangles. Cut these out just a little smaller so they'll fit on the inside walls of the box. Find your glue and then cut the sponge so we can use half as a glue spreader. Grab your box again and put some glue in the bottom. Give it a good spread with the sponge. Now, stick in the biggest rectangle of paper. A few bubbles and tears will only make it look more lived in. Put some glue on the side wall. Spread that around. Then stick on another rectangle. Do it again for the last wall. To make some doors and fittings, find your lid and some pens. Imagine the lid is the bottom of the box and draw the things you want to add to the back wall. I'll do a door, a fireplace, a window and a bit of skirting board. Now just paint or colour the things the way you want them. There, lovely. Just cut away the edges of the lid. Then cut out all the bits. With this window, cut it right the way through and then cut away the middle. We'll draw these bits in again later. Find one of your pictures of outside. Then glue the window pieces onto the picture. Draw those middle bits back on with a permanent pen and then cut away the outside parts of the picture. Get your box and all your new pieces and glue them all in. Looking cosy. Now, use some more of your old card to create some decorations and furniture. Try folding and sticking boxy shapes to make a comfy chair. And there you have it. Here are some other types of room you could make.